So, how to sketch yourself like this? So first, go to Adjustments, Curves, blow up some highlight by dragging up on there, decrease darkness right in the middle. Press Ctrl plus G, then Ctrl plus J. Right click and rasterize. Go to the bottom layer and make the curves hidden. Click to the top layer and go to Filters, Detect Horizontal Edges. Then go to Adjustments and HSL. Drag the saturation to left. Select a HSL layer and a pixel layer. Ctrl plus J. Then press Ctrl plus I to invert it. Change the blending mode to overlay. Add HSL. Drag a saturation left and check that it's under a pixel layer. Then click bottom group and decrease opacity. And that's it. I hope it helped you somehow. And as always, see ya!